Hi. So a customer came to us in a demo the other day and told us they wanted to create a sync between Salesforce and Jira, that whenever a Salesforce case is created, they want to create a corresponding case in Jira, and they want to return the case ID back into Salesforce. And they already have a field in Salesforce in the case to hold the Jira case ID. But they said they only had 48 hours to go live with this, and they wanted to make sure they would have the time to do it. So we looked at them and we told them this should only take about 10 minutes, and only it as a prompt. So this is the prompt I used to build it. This is Noca, and this is the builder. And I wrote, when a new case is created in Salesforce, create an issue in Jira project called My Kanban Project, where the summary in Jira gets the subject from the case in Salesforce. Then update the case in Salesforce that trigger the flow. I told it the condition case ID equals case ID with the issue ID from Jira. Noca understands what I want from it. It asks me to choose my Salesforce connection because I might have a few, production, sandbox, whatever, to choose my Jira connection. And basically that's it. It will take now 10 seconds for us to go to Builder. And now Noca will build the entire project from just the one prompt. So it starts by configuring the event. The event in Salesforce, we can see, is when a case is created without any corresponding conditions. It's not a specific case. I wanted it on any case that is created. It's now configuring the case creation of the case ID in Jira. It's done. And let's look what it did. It asked to create a issue, and action is create, and it chose the correct project. It asked to move to the summary field the subject from the case in Salesforce. It offered to also, this is AI at work, put in the issue type the case type, and in the reporter, it's offered to map created by ID. But let's say I don't want this. This is also a drag and drop system. So all I need to do is delete the field, and it's gone. And back to Salesforce, it mapped update the case with the issue ID from Jira. So now we're updating the case that created the flow, and I can see in the condition, it brought the case ID from the first node. So all I have to do now is press go live, and the integration has been built in about 2 minutes. Let's see it run. Okay, integration is live. We go to Salesforce, and we put in the subject. And this is a new case 47. Save once, case origin, and save. Okay, this should trigger Noca. I've gotten the trigger. And done. We can see that the new issue ID is 10219, and it updated back into Salesforce. So this is the before in Jira. Let's refresh the page. See, my internet is a bit slow, sorry. This is the new case I just created. And if I go back to Salesforce, this is the case I created in Salesforce. We can see Jira issue ID is empty. If I click refresh, here's the issue ID from Jira that I create.